Hello everybody, today's tune-up report is going to be on the RCI-X9, and this is for Benjamin in Wyoming. Alright, we're going to start in AM with the power all the way down, and watt meter set to 10 watts on the top scale, 2 watts all the way down. Now go to the next scale, it's 10, 20, 30 on the bottom. Turn the power all the way up, and it's 20 watts, so 2 to 20. Peak power over here, 250 slug, that's 100 right there.
Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit. Audio. Check. Audio.
Okay, and we kick it over the side, man. Turn that volume down.
Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
About 120 there. Okay. There you have it. There you have inside band. Quick pop on the air.